Boys and girls, last week we worked on painting our color wheel, and we did our 3 primary colors first. We then mixed our primary colors to create our secondary colors and painted those in. This week we are going to work on finishing our color wheel. And so these are going to be kind of floating in the air. And you get to kind of decide what you want to do. So I'm going to show you an example of another piece that is finished, and you might be seeing this up on the board. So here you can see that I've taken my shapes and I have made something from each shape. So I'm going to take, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black permanent marker. Now remember, because you're using a black permanent marker, that means there's no erasing. So whatever marks you make on your paper, they're going to stay. So I might decide that I am going to take this here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create, let's see, maybe it's a windy day. Maybe this is the sun, maybe it's a cloud and it's a windy day and it's blowing air. And maybe this is, oh, you know what, I wonder, maybe this is going to be maybe this will be like a little rocket ship that's kind of blasting off in the sky. And maybe I need to add some, I don't know, what do I want to add here? Whoops. That kind of looks like candy corn. And maybe there's a little person inside. We're going off on a rocket ship ride. Maybe I add a wing here. So we're kind of blasting off into the air. Maybe this little guy, maybe I make this little guy look like, I don't know, maybe he kind of looks like a pair of lips, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this guy look a little bit like a little turtle or something here. Maybe this is his little tail. And remember, if you do back legs, they have to be shorter because they have to look like they're further behind. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to decide, maybe this guy over here, maybe this is just kind of a weird balloon. I don't know. And so maybe this is a balloon, just kind of this funky balloon flying in the sky. And you could also add little tails to it if you wanted to. And then what you're going to do is when you're done each of these, we are then going to work on the background. So right now you are going to take your black permanent marker and you are going to turn each of these kind of into something. So that's step number 1. So go ahead and do that and have fun. Can't wait to see what you create.